In this video tutorial, we will show how Covalent Ligand Docker prepares a ligand with a customized warhead. For the full docking protocol, please watch the tutorial on 5kMW first. The structure 2A5I is a SARS-CoV main peptidase in complex with an ASA epoxide inhibitor. In this case, we will use a ligand with an aziridine warhead. First, select the target residue, cysteine 145. Then, modify the ligand to the customized structure. Note that the aziridine warhead undergoes ring opening, so we must specify a bond to break by deleting it. The carbon at this location is more prone to nucleophilic attack, so we break this bond. Then, highlight the warhead atoms and click on Case 1 Generate. This structure represents the ligand linked to cysteine. Once you have finished setting up the ligand, you can close the pop-up window. There should be a green tick mark under the setup column. Click Next to dock. After waiting a few minutes, the docking results should show as a list.